Chabahal, Charumati, Bihar. Charumati, Bihar is situated in the Mitra Park area of Chabahal within the Kathmandu Valley. Charumati, Bihar is named after Princess Charumati, the daughter of an Indian emperor Ashoka. According to legends, Charumati was deeply devoted to Buddhism and played a crucial role in spreading Buddhist teaching in the Kathmandu Valley. Sanghamitra and Charumati were the two daughters of Ashoka the Great, who was the renowned third Chakravarti emperor of the Maurya dynasty in India. Historical inscriptions reveals that King Ashoka, the emperor of India, married his daughter Charumati to a local prince of Kathmandu named Devpal when he visited Nepal. They settled near the sacred site of Pasupati Kshetra after their marriage. Following the death of her husband, Charumati had a vihar or monastery constructed in his memory. According to genealogical records, Emperor Ashoka arranged the marriage between Charumati and Devpal of Devpatan. After becoming a monk, Charumati established Charumati Bihar, and it is believed that the name Chabahal originated from this monastery as mentioned by Buddhist scholars. According to another account, it is said that travelers en route to Tibet would spend their first night in a place called Bahal, which signifies the initial resting place. Over time, Bahal transferred into Chabahal, which means night Bihar, in reference to place where travelers would stay overnight. The Newari word for night is Sani, and interestingly, the original name of this location is believed to be Chabahi. The locals also refer to this Chaitya as Dhando Chaitya, which translates to the abode of the blessed Lord. According to the Devmala genealogy, King Vrismadev of Suryavamshi dynasty renounced the Saivism, followed by his clan, and embraced Buddhism. In a dream, he received a message from a deity informing him of hidden wealth in a nearby pond. The king retrieved the wealth and used it to construct the Chaitya. This event took place in the year 2810 of the Kaligat Sambat calendar. Simultaneously, a city consisting of 300 houses were rebuilt and named Manju Bihar. Unfortunately, the original Chaitya built by King Vrismadev was eventually demolished, and the city came to be known as Chabahal. Thank you.